The Social Housing Advocacy and Support Program, or SHASP, is a service provided by HomeGround Services, a housing support agency based in Melbourne, Victoria. HomeGround's vision is to end homelessness in Melbourne. Our mission is to get people housed and keep people housed.
Establishing successful tenancies.
SHASP assists new Office of Housing and Housing Association tenants with support and referral to establish and maintain their new tenancy. People who are beginning a new tenancy and people who have unmet support needs that put their tenancy at risk of failure are eligible for this service. This includes people transferring from a previous tenancy to a new one, people who have been homeless and or vulnerable and not currently linked in with support services, as well as people who have had tenancies break down in the past are also eligible for this service.
Advocating to resolve tenancy issues.
SHASP advocates for people with unresolved tenancy difficulties. This includes those who are current public or social housing tenants, those unable to advocate on their own behalf on matters that have been raised with their landlord and not yet resolved, and those who have unmet support needs arising from financial, physical health, mental health, disability, violence, language or literacy issues. SHASP will advocate with public and social housing landlords in relation to complaints, management, appeals, outstanding or disputed maintenance issues, and advice and support with VCAT processes that do not include legal advice or representation.
Intervening in at-risk tenancies.
SHASP assists current Office of Housing tenants by providing support in order to stabilise their tenancy. People who are current public housing tenants or people who have a tenancy at risk of breakdown due to a current or pending breach of their tenancy agreement are eligible for this service. Examples of at-risk tenancies include people with rent arrears, those experiencing financial difficulties, personal or family crises, or issues relating to mental health, physical health, substance use, or family violence.
Assisting early housing transfer applicants.
SHASP assists applicants who require help to establish their eligibility. Public housing tenants requiring advice or information regarding their transfer application and who have unmet support needs are eligible for this service. This includes those who require assistance to gather documentation to meet transfer criteria.
Contact SHASP.
You can call one of the following numbers to access SHASP service in your local area.
Inner northern suburbs.
Contact HomeGround Collingwood, phone number 9288 9611 or free call 1800 048 325. HomeGround Collingwood covers the Office of Housing areas of Collingwood, Fitzroy and Richmond, as well as local government areas of Darebin and Yarra.
Outer northern suburbs.
Contact HomeGround Preston, phone number 9471 4522 or free call 1800 834 125. HomeGround Preston covers the Office of Housing areas of Broadmeadows and Preston, as well as the local government areas of Banyule, Darebin, Hume, Moreland, Nillumbik and Whittlesea.
Inner and middle southern suburbs.
Contact HomeGround St Kilda, phone number 9537 7888. HomeGround St Kilda covers the Office of Housing areas of Cheltenham, Prahran and South Melbourne, as well as the local government areas of Bayside, Glen Eira, Kingston, Port Phillip and Stonington.
You can also access more information about HomeGround and HomeGround services online. Head to our website at www.homeground.org.au or find us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/HomeGround services.